Hi, this is Ranjita Manna, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Biniyanga Government Women College, Lekin Nahalagan, Andhra Pradesh. And today in this video, I will discuss about the regional disparities. Regional disparities means imbalance in a per capita income, literacy rate, health and education service, level of industrialization, infrastructure facilities, etc. between different regions. And there are different type of disparities are there, just like global disparities. This is disparities between the nation, interstate disparities, disparities between the state, intrastate disparities, disparities within the state, that means among the district of the state, and the rural urban disparities. This is disparities between the rural and urban area of the state. And here I have listed some indicator of regional disparities in India. The indicator are state per capita income, interstate disparities in agriculture and industrial development, interstate imbalance, spatial distribution of industries, population below poverty line, degree of urbanization, per capita consumption of electricity, employment pattern, foreign direct investment, human development index. Here I have listed some. If you can add more. What causes regional imbalance? The causes of regional imbalance I have listed here are historical factor, geographical factor, failure of planning, lack of finance in small and medium enterprises, infrastructure, disparities in social economic development, political factors, predominance of agriculture, lack of motivation on the part of backward state, and the location disadvantage. Due to the regional imbalance, what are the consequences? I have also listed some consequences here. They are interstate and intrastate agitation, migration, the social unrest, population increase, housing and water problem, frustration among the rural youth, underdeveloped infrastructure, and the agitation of the imbalance in the state or in the country. And to remove the imbalance, what are the policy I have suggested? Here: identification of backward area and allocation of fund, need for investment in backward area, good governance, political wills, incentive like central government incentive and state government incentive, promoting new financial institution in backward region, setting up of regional board, growth corridor, strict restriction on uses of productive agricultural land for agricultural purpose, uses of natural resources for the development of tribal area to be implemented. These are some policy measures which can be implemented and remove regional imbalance in the state. You can suggest more. A composition criteria for identifying backward area, strengthening of local government, greater share of central funds should be allowed to backward state, provision of infrastructure facilities in backward area, development of forward and backward linkage in the backward region, special grant to be given to the backward and tribal area, and cottage and small industry to be promoted. These are the some measures to be remove disparities in India. You can also add some measures I have missed to mention. As a conclusion, we can conclude that regional disparities is a threat to the global of incentive growth and reduction of poverty. The growing regional disparities have damped the speed of further economic reform and hence may pose barriers to India's future economic growth. Regional disparities will result in regional tension, which may lead to agitation and militant activity also. Regional disparities in economic and social development which exist within some of the state due to the neglect of certain backward region have created and creating demand for separate state like in the past for separate Telangana and how and then for Bodoland and many more. As such, there is a strong need for strengthening of good governance in the backward area. It is also necessary that the local bodies in the backward area are empowered and strengthened to reduce regional imbalance in the country. Thank you. Uh, and I hope you have learned something and some knowledge, get some knowledge from my topic, regional disparity. Thank you for watching.